Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Figure this out fast. Read the gel, match band patterns to wild type versus mutant alleles, and you can pin down the inheritance answer in seconds. Figure 2 shows individuals 3-2 and 3-3 each have 2 PCR bands, which means they carry 2 different FXN alleles instead of 2 matching copies, so they are heterozygous. Now use size. The mutant FXN allele has many extra GAA repeats, so its PCR product is larger and travels less on the gel, while wild type runs farther. Since IV1 is affected and the gel pattern matches only the larger allele, IV1 inherited 2 mutant copies, which locks in the correct choice. Well done, option A. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given evidence and check gel steps before deciding inheritance.